Is your Xfinity TV box randomly turning off? This can be due to power fluctuations, sleep mode settings, or overheating. First, ensure your box has stable power. Check all cable connections and use a surge protector. Unplug the box for 30 seconds to power cycle it, clearing minor glitches. Next, examine your sleep mode settings via the Xfinity app or remote. Ensure it's not set too aggressively. For overheating, provide adequate ventilation by ensuring there's at least 4 inches of clear space around the box. Let's dive into more specific solutions. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check for firmware updates in the Xfinity app, as these often fix auto shutdown bugs. If overheating persists, consider adding a small fan to improve airflow. For power instability, especially in areas with unreliable grids, a UPS can provide backup power. Note that frequent shutdowns could indicate a hardware issue. Contact Xfinity support for a potential replacement, especially if under warranty. Keep your device in a well-ventilated area and periodically check for firmware updates via the Xfinity app to avoid future issues.